Okay, today we're here at KFC, and we came to try another of their saucy nuggets. So I got a combo this time. There's a 10-piece nuggets with the mango habanero, and it comes with one biscuit, side of your choice. So I chose the fries, and then drink of your choice. So I chose the new, let's see, tropical passion fruit with using the sweet lightning, their signature, no, their exclusive Mountain Dew flavors, sweet night lightning. Very sweet. Oh, it does have a kind of a passion fruit flavor. Okay, so let's try out these nuggies. Oh, really? Should I open it up? Here we go. Okay, nuggets. Okay. Some of them are small, some of them are larger. Well, there's more than 10 in here. So, okay. So it is sauced, but not, it doesn't cover it totally. It has a nice flavor on here, but I'm waiting for this spiciness. Oh yeah, once you stop chewing, you start feeling it on your tongue. But the KFC nuggets are really, they're really good. They're actually made with pieces of chicken, not pressed formed chicken like McDonald's. Although I do love McDonald's chicken nuggets. I think if you have a lot of sauce on it, the spiciness comes right away. Yeah, this one's spicier than the first one I had. But it also has a good taste to the sauce. So yeah, that's good. And then the fries. These are, these are what they call their fries, battered fries. No, I don't know. They do have something on them. They're crispy and fluffy on the inside. And then you know what a biscuit is. So, well, this whole meal was $9.99. 10-piece nuggets, biscuit, cider your choice, and a drink of your choice. This is supposed to be a medium. This is pretty large for a medium. And then you make it more than 10, but some of them are small, so maybe that's why they give you more than 10. So let's see. I'm gonna give this meal. I'm gonna give it an A. It actually seems like a lot of food. So and I was able to get the new drink with it too. So, anyways, please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and click on the notification bell, and click on also get notified every time I upload a new video. So I'm gonna take another bite. And I'll see you in the next one.